what do you get inside a box of the ECOFLOW River 3? So of course you got the unit right here, and you also get some cables. You have your AC power plug right here. This one is simple. There's no power brick to worry about. You just plug it right here. This is where the AC connects, and it charges your ECOFLOW River 3 very fast. You can also charge it via this cable. This is your XT60 that connects right here, and this will plug into your car or your RV for DC input. You can also use a solar panel to go directly to the XT60 port. The box includes this and the user manual. Now this is a really nice unit. You see how lightweight it is? It has 245 watt-hour capacity. It uses a lithium iron phosphate battery technology. You have your DC output on top on here, and it has a nice cover. The old one didn't have the cover. I like that it has a little cover right here. This is your DC output. You can turn on and off the DC output independently. You have two AC outputs. You have 3-prong there, a 2-prong there. You can turn on and off the AC outputs independently as well. You have 2 USB-A's, 1 USB-C, and a beautiful display. It shows you your current battery capacity, your wattage input, your wattage output, and at a given load, how much time you have remaining. So it's a very nice ECOFLOW River 3 with the handle right here, flat top, and they've modified the unit so it's flatter now. You have your ventilation there, and you have your ventilation over here. It's a solid unit with the AC power cord and your DC power cord included. The ECOFLOW River 3 right here. Oh yeah.